Welcome to video 6.2 in probability, combinations, and musicals and plays. All right, here's example 2. Suppose Maynice is staging 12 shows this year. Wow. 5 musicals and 7 plays. 2 parts. A, if you want to see exactly 3 different musicals and 4 different plays, how many combinations are possible? So there's some very important vocabulary here. The word exactly, the word and, combinations. So just a slight change in these words could change the whole way of solving the problem. All right, so I'm going to set up a little slot. So step 1 would be the musicals. Okay, so let's find out how many ways to do that event. And then step 2 will be the plays. So these are 2 different events. So I'm going to use the product rule, the number of ways of doing event 1 multiplied by the number of ways of doing event 2. And that word and was the one that was telling me to do that. Okay, so for the musicals, I want to see exactly 3 of them. Okay, order doesn't matter. Either I see 3 or I don't. Oh, there's a total of 5 musicals. So out of the 5 musicals, choose 3. All right, then I'll do the same kind of analysis with plays. I want to see 4 different plays, exactly 4 different plays. So out of the 7 plays, choose 4. All right, and then I work that out over here. I got 10 times 35 for 350. Okay, part B. You want to see at least 10 different shows, and you don't care what they are. They could be musicals or plays, doesn't matter. How many combinations are possible? Okay, so now the important words are at least. Again, we know we're dealing with combinations. Order does not matter. All right, so at least 10, well, it could be 10 or 11 or 12. If they said something like at least 1, I would do that total minus thing, but I could easily add 10 or 11 or 12. So I'm going to say at least 10 equals 10 or 11 or 12. And again, the word or means to add. So let's find out for 10. Out of all 12, choose 10. Okay, if I want to see 11, out of all 12, choose 11. And then again, out of all 12, choose all 12. Obviously, there's only one way to do that, to see all 12. All right, so then if you compute the numbers, you get 66 plus 12 plus 1 for a grand total of 79. So again, just a reminder, pay particular attention to the vocabulary in these problems. So there you have it, how to use combinations to find out the number of ways of seeing musicals and plays at Maynice High School.